Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Tootie. So what I'm doing today is I'm making a super easy quick crock pot dinner. I'm starting now. It's like almost 10 a.m. I'm going to do a chicken, potato, and carrot dinner. One pot meal type thing in the crock pot for tonight. So I'm getting this done early because, you know, so I don't have to worry about it later. So my chicken is actually still frozen. But I'm still gonna put it in here anyway. I'm gonna cook it on high for 4 to 6 hours. I'm chopping up some russet potatoes. I have 3, I guess, medium-size-ish potatoes. So I'm getting these chopped up real quick and throwing those right in the crock pot. I'm not gonna season these potatoes, because when I season the chicken, whatever seasoning or juices that the chicken leaves off, it's gonna go right onto the potatoes. So just gonna chop these all up, get that going, because nothing like, you know, a quick meal for a day where you wake up tired. You know, you didn't get much sleep or whatever, so you just got, you know, you gotta cook dinner tonight, right? So why not make it easy? So that's what I'm doing. So I'm gonna finish chopping this potato, even though I don't got much left to chop. This is so easy. I love making this because everything is just so flavorful, and it, you know, it doesn't take a lot to do. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab my carrots really quick. Okay guys, so I have these carrots. Now these carrots look a little funny. They look a little dried out. They're still good carrots. It's just I had them out on a platter like this past, you know, weekend or whatever, and you know, they just dried out, but they're still good. And my kids don't want to eat them because they look like it, but they're still good. So all I'm gonna do is take these and just throw them in my pot like so. Okay, I'm not letting anything go to waste. And then I still have a few here that I could add to, just to, you know, give us some extra ones. So that's what they should look like, but because I had them sitting out on the counter for a little while, they kind of turned white, but they still tasted sweet. So I'm going to show you guys what I have going on over here. Okay, let me show you inside the crock. Okay, so this is what the inside is looking like. So I just threw my potatoes and my carrots in the crock pot, and all I'm gonna do is throw my chicken over it, season it right in here, and put the lid on and start it up. So let me take my chicken out the package. I'm gonna show you the chicken that I have right here. So I got some, I think these are leg quarters. Yeah, these are chicken leg quarters. So I'm just, they're like, you can see they're still completely frozen. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take it out the pack and rinse it really good, and then I'm going to bring it back and put it in our crock pot. Alright you guys, so my chicken's in my crock pot, so hold on. Okay guys, so we're going to do the same thing to this side. We're going to go some salt. Okay. Don't worry about it being frozen. We're going to do some pepper. The seasoning actually does stick pretty good to it, and you'll see it when it's done cooking how nice it looks. Okay, so we're gonna go with a little seasoning salt. Okay, some of that. Okay, don't be shy with it, don't go crazy. I'm gonna do some onion powder. Okay, and of course garlic powder. And all these flavors are going to go right down to the potatoes and carrots. So like I said, you don't need to worry about seasoning those. This chicken is going to put off a lot of juice. We're going to throw some Italian seasoning in there, and that's pretty much it. So like I said, this chicken makes its own juices. You do not have to add water. You don't have to add anything to this chicken. So I'm going to go ahead and press high, and then I'm going to set it for like 5 hours and 30 minutes, just because it's frozen. And I'm gonna hit start, It's cooking now, so I'm gonna throw my lid on, and that's it. I don't have to worry about it anymore until it's done. And when it's done, in about 5.5 hours, we will be back, and I will go ahead and show you guys what we are working with here. All right, be back. All right, you guys, so our food is done. I kind of already lifted this up and kind of looked inside. This is so good. Oh my gosh, let me show you. It is so tender. Steaming up. Oops. Okay, steaming up. So it is so tender, like you can literally break the leg off with like a fork. Look at this, it just falls right off the bone. Now look at that, done. So the carrots are really nice. You can see how tender they are. They're kind of breaking off as I'm trying to pull it out. And the potatoes, they're super soft too. I can't even pick one up, like I can barely get one. But anyway, all that juice, as you can see at the bottom, it's all bubbling. All that juice is made by the chicken, and I guess steam or whatever. But it's so much flavor, and it flavors the vegetables, and you can use it as a little gravy. You can make gravy with it if you want, or you can just pour it over your chicken. You can add a little barbecue sauce on this and call it a night. So we're gonna serve it up, and yeah, show you what this looks like.